Truck stop love. On the road with the heavy load, I got loving on my mind. My heart is aching, my chassis shaking, southbound I-35. I call my lady at the Flying J, I say, baby, I'm coming through. I'm gonna pull my rambling rig right up, a little love and rendezvous. A little truck stop love. Baby, you blow my mind. A little bit of truck stop love. It's the very best kind. Oh, baby, just step inside and pull the blinds. I put 1,000 miles behind me since I last saw you. Jamming the planes in the Hammer Lane after a big dump in St. Joe. I got a reefer full of fresh cut bowl and I'm heading for the Alamo. I'll lose my caboose, get some go-go juice, and I'll cruise a big rig shop. And when I call the number, I'll be hauling lumber. I'll catch you on the flip-flop for some truck drop love. Baby, you blow my mind. A little bit of truck stop love. It's the only kind. Oh, just step inside and pull the blinds. I put 1,000 miles behind me since I last saw you. I'm a lonely, rambling, long-haul lover. I'll satisfy your soul. Come daylight, I'll be 10 years ahead of the highway patrol. That's it. That's all I got.